let's dive into the showdown between two serene, chill, and utterly luxurious resorts, El Mar Resort up in the tranquil north of Cebu versus the enchanting Bluewater Sumilon Island down in the serene south. We're talking ultimate relaxation and tranquility vibes, guys. Alrighty, let's kick things off by giving you the lowdown on each resort. We're talking juicy details about their history, the size of these bad boys, the levels of luxury they offer, and all that good stuff. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of pure awesomeness. Welcome to Bluewater Sumilon Island Resort, nestled on the serene Sumilon Island, one of Cebu's best-kept secrets. Just 125 kilometers from Cebu City, this gem sits pretty on the southeastern tip, close to Dumaguete. Spanning 24 hectares, it's surrounded by stunning crystal-clear waters in various shades of aquamarine. Dive into its rich marine life, from diverse species to occasional black-tipped shark sightings. Explore pristine white sand beaches, including the famous shape-shifting sandbar. Discover natural wonders like mangrove-filled lagoons and historic fisherman caves. And don't miss the charming lighthouse in the protected tree park on the south side. It's a slice of paradise waiting for you to explore. Alright, next the El Mar Resort and Spa, where endless beach bliss awaits. Set on a sprawling 70 hectare seaside estate, this luxurious retreat boasts 40 stunning rooms and 10 exclusive casita units, including a lavish presidential villa. Imagine yourself in paradise, with pristine white sands meeting azure seas. Dive into tranquility and serenity in Sogod, Cebu's captivating haven, revealing a tropical oasis that delights the senses. Enjoy breathtaking ocean views, untouched shorelines, and charming coves. With a dedication to excellence, El Mar Resort promises a seamless stay, where top-notch service accompanies you every step of the way. It's time to indulge in pure relaxation and luxury. Alright, let's dive into the room experience at El Mar Resort with Papa Ron and Mama Div. So, they decided to go with El Mar, and let me tell you, their choice didn't disappoint. Picture this, stepping into their standard room was like entering a realm of pure luxury and glass. The wood design, absolutely breathtaking. It added such warmth and elegance to the space, making it feel like a cozy retreat from the world outside. But let's talk about the bathroom. Oh boy, it was something else. I'm talking about sleek finishes, modern amenities, and an overall vibe that just screamed luxury. From the spacious shower to the luxurious bathtub, every little detail was carefully thought out to provide the ultimate relaxation experience. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the view from the bathroom window? It was like having a private oasis right there in the room. Alright, folks, let's talk snorkeling adventures with Papa Ron and Mama Div at Bluewater Sumilon Island Resort. So, they decided to head to Bluewater for some underwater fun, and boy, did they make the right choice. Picture this, just a few steps from the shoreline, they were greeted by a vibrant underwater paradise. Fish of all shapes, sizes, and colors were dancing around them, and the corals. Oh, they were right there, waving hello. Can you believe it? Coral reefs right in front of the shoreline, mind-blowing stuff, folks. Snorkeling at Bluewater Sumilon was an experience like no other. It was like diving into a real-life aquarium, with every flipper kick revealing a new wonder of the sea. Papa Ron and Mama Div were absolutely mesmerized by the sheer beauty and diversity of marine life right at their fingertips. It was a snorkeling adventure they'll never forget. Alrighty, time to lace up those adventure boots because Papa Ron and Mama Div are taking us on a wild ride around both resorts. So, why did they choose both? Well, each spot offers a unique flavor of adventure that's impossible to resist. First up, El Mar Resort. Get ready to be wowed by its sprawling sandy beaches that stretch for miles. I'm talking soft, powdery sand beneath your feet and endless ocean views that'll leave you speechless. It's a beachcomber's paradise, folks. Now, let's switch gears to Bluewater Sumilon. Here, You're in for a real treat. Picture this, exploring mysterious caves, paying a visit to the Mama Mary Grotto for a moment of reflection, stolen through lush bushes that seem straight out of a jungle adventure, and to top it all off, taking a dip in the pristine white sandbar at the other end. It's a whirlwind of excitement and exploration that'll have you itching for more. And that's a wrap for this video, folks. Now it's your turn to sound off in the comments below. Tell us what you think about these two amazing resorts. Did they blow your mind or what? And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe for more awesome content coming your way. Until next time, stay tuned and keep adventuring.